Buongiorno a tutti. Benvenuti a Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson, you learned demonstrative adjectives this and these. There was also a quiz. How do you say these notebooks are mine? A. Questo quaderno è mio. B. Questi quaderni sono miei. The correct answer is B. Questi quaderni sono miei. In today's lesson, you will learn that and those in Italian. Let's start. That and those are demonstrative adjectives which indicate objects or people that are far away. They go before the noun or the adjective. Their forms change in the same way as those of the definite article. Therefore, it has several forms. Quello is used before a masculine singular noun or adjective starting with X, Y, Z, GN, PN, PS, or S plus a consonant. For example, quello zio, quello studente, quello pneumatico. The plural form of quello is quelli. For example, quegli zii, quegli studenti, quegli pneumatici. Quel is used before a masculine singular noun or adjective starting with any other consonant. Quel libro, quel giornale, quel ragazzo. The plural form of quel is quei. Quei libri, quei giornali, quei ragazzi. Quel with apostrophe is used before a masculine singular noun or adjective starting with a vowel. Quell'uomo, quell'amico, quell'albero. The plural form of quel with apostrophe is quegli. Quegli uomini, quegli amici, quegli alberi. Quella is used before a feminine singular noun or adjective starting with any consonant. Quella penna, quella rivista, quella borsa. The plural form of quella is quelle. Quelle penne, quelle riviste, quelle borse. Quel with apostrophe is used before a feminine singular noun or adjective starting with any vowel. Quell'amica, quell'arancia, quell'occasione. The plural form of quel with apostrophe is quelle. Quelle amiche, quelle arance, quelle occasioni. Let's see some dialogues. Come quello studente? How is that student? È intelligente. He's clever. Chi è quella bella ragazza? Who is that beautiful girl? È la mia fidanzata. She's my fiancé. Di chi sono quei regali? Whose gifts are those? Sono nostri. They are ours. Posso mangiare quelle caramelle? Can I eat those sweets? No, sono di Maria. No, they are Maria's. Now I have a quiz for you. How do you say that sport in Italian? A. Quello sport. B. Quel sport. You can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. You can also download for free my podcast. In the next lesson, you will learn demonstrative pronouns. Grazie, arrivederci.